Good morning, everyone. It's Friday morning and I decided, I've had this idea for this series in mind for a while, but I thought I would just start it today. I'm gonna do like a lipstick diaries. So it's similar to my wear tests where I vlog what lipsticks I wear, but I think for this one, I'm going to just show you what lipstick I'm wearing in the morning, just for fun. You can see part of the outfit and just not necessarily check back in all day. But I thought it would be fun to do 7 days lipstick diary. Today's Friday, but I just thought day one of my lipstick diaries, and I decided today to use the NARS Audacious lipstick in Anna. I've had this for a few years and I coveted this for so long. I wanted it so bad for so long. Finally got it, and then it was right when I like kind of moved away from wearing those mauve tones. So I don't use it as much as I initially planned to when I bought it. But it's still a beautiful, beautiful color and one of my favorite lipstick formulas of all time. The packaging is also magnetic, so I love it. And that's what lipstick I'm wearing today. So I'm gonna do 7 days of this. So this is day one, and my day one choice is NARS Audacious in Anna. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe below right now, because I do tons of lip product videos. Sephora Favorites lip kits. I do a monthly lip edit, which I'm gonna start back up in October. So I'm gonna have my October lip edit up soon. And I am doing these lipstick diaries, wear tests, etc. So if you love lipstick, you will love my channel. Subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday, September 29th. So technically it's day 3 of this lipstick diary, the 7-day lipstick diary that I'm doing. I actually, and I'm really mad about this, but I actually forgot to vlog my lipstick last night, and I loved what I was wearing. So I will insert some pics somewhere here of my outfit and my lipstick choice, because I actually wore this one, Champagne Mommy from ColourPop, and I wore that with a bright pink ColourPop eyeshadow on my lid, the Super Shock cream shadow. I just put it on with my finger and it matched my top. So I really liked my look last night. I'm kind of sad I didn't remember to vlog it. I'm so mad. But I wore Champagne Mommy, one of my favorite glosses, and I'm not even a gloss person, so love reaching for this. I also think that these lipstick diaries are a really good way to kind of use up lipstick, almost like my lip edit that I do, but it's kind of different from that. So today I decided to wear a lipstick from the newest Sephora Favorites Give Me More lip set, which if you haven't seen that video, I will link it right here. I did not only a first impressions, swatch, etc. video, which is linked, and then I also did a full wear test review, etc. After using it. So I like vlogged my whole wear test and whatnot, so I will also link that here and you can watch both. But today my lipstick is from that set, and it's the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipstick in the color Very Victoria. I really like this. I think it's a gorgeous nude. A little bit dark on me right now, but it just differs depending on the light, depending on like what kind of makeup I'm wearing, etc. I'm saying etc. a lot today. It's bugging me. But yeah, so wore Champagne Mommy last night, a little night out, had some drinks with some friends and stuff. And then wearing this today, and I will check back with you tomorrow for day 4. Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone's having an awesome day, week, morning. It is Monday, September 26th, so it's day 4 of my lipstick diaries. So let's continue. Today I decided to wear the YSL Volupté Liquid Color Balm. I have the color, oh, what is my color? I think it's number 12, because it's called Chase Me Nude, but there's no color on here. And it is this exact color. This is a see-through little lip-shaped little see-through peephole, I guess. But I'm wearing it now. It looks a little bit darker than it would usually look on me. I don't know why, but it's just a really comfortable moisturizing liquid balm. I love this product. It's just really, really comfortable and lasts quite a good while. I think the reason I bought it, it was actually in a Sephora set as a mini. And the reason I bought the full size, because I have so many lipsticks that I really don't ever buy individual full-size lipsticks, because I get so many from sets and whatnot. So I decided to buy a full size because once it wears off, it actually it almost like glues to your lips in a way where it stains, and I think that is so beautiful. So even when it comes off, it's still kind of there. And yeah, I really like this, so I'm excited to wear it. I was reaching for it a lot when I first got it, and then of course, as we get used to having things in our collection, they just kind of get pushed to the back. But yeah, that is today's pick, and I will be back tomorrow with day 5's pick. So I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day. Good afternoon. It is day 5 of my lip challenge. Let me turn down the AC. Not a lip challenge, my Lipstick Diaries. I'm so confused. So today I was kind of a hot mess and used like a million different kinds of lipstick. Originally I started with this Charlotte Tilbury Bond Girl in the morning, and then I had breakfast, so I wipe my lipstick off usually when I eat. So you can see like little remnants of it, but started with this, wiped it off because I'm wearing like a blazer combo. I thought it looked kind of nice with that. It made me feel a little sophisticated. And then ended up using this little Free People lippy, which this is one of the lipsticks that is like clear. It says green. It's just a green flower, so it actually turns your lips like your own color, but like a little bit more pink and like my lips a better type of color. So after I slightly wiped off that Bond Girl and ate my breakfast, I put this on, but it wasn't moisturizing enough. So then afterwards, to make this even more complicated, I went in with this Sephora lip oil. I've actually done a video about this, and I will link that in the description if you want to see it and up here. But yeah, went in with that, and so I'm kind of wearing like a little mixture of all three of these right now. It's kind of a mess, but that's what I decided to wear today. Who knows where we'll end up tonight? I have no idea. But yeah, pretty chill day, regular day at work, so nothing special. But that is what I'm wearing today, and I will check back with you tomorrow. Hello and good afternoon. It is 4:58 p.m. right now, and just wanted to check in. Oh, I just spit. I just wanted to check in and let you know what lipstick I wore. This is super uneventful and like boring of me, but I just went with the Sephora lip oil again because I was kind of running late today, and I just wanted something moisturizing that would give my lips some color. But it's funny because it looks like so purple, and it actually kind of makes my lips look slightly purple sometimes. So I almost like feel like it sometimes makes me look slightly dead. It's kind of weird. But if you apply not too much, like if you apply like a good amount, then you're gonna be fine. I just find it really comfortable and nice. I love a good moisturizing lip oil, so today's lip was really uneventful. Hopefully tomorrow I'll have something more exciting to report. Good afternoon. It is Thursday, which means it is day 7 of my Lipstick Diaries. It's been essentially a week. I started last Friday and now it's Thursday, but it has been 7 whole days, and today I decided to wear the Sugar Rosé lip treatment with SPF 15. I like to go out in the mornings with SPF on my lips. I don't always do it, but I prefer to. And I used to like put on lipstick or liner and then layer my SPF balm over it, but this is kind of a great 2-in-1. I have to use quite a bit to get the right amount of color for me, just because my lips are pretty pigmented already and don't really reflect the color as well. So if I do like a thin layer, you won't really see any color, but that I would just check in and show you that. I've mentioned in my videos many times that in the mornings when I'm going to work, I'm not a doll myself up type of person. I just am always late and tired and not in the mood. So don't get me wrong, I love getting face all done and everything, but just in the mornings I'm so lazy and I'm always so sleepy. So I always tend to gravitate towards comfier balms for the morning time. So this is my Sugar Rosé. I think this Lipstick Diary has been super fun to do. It's actually nice to not have the pressure of having to check back, or like not having to not apply lipsticks. Like if my lips are super dry during wear tests, it's really difficult to like keep going and not put anything on. So I actually like these, and the fact that I can just show you what I'm wearing and go on with my day. Let me know, leave a comment below and let me know what you think, because I would love to keep doing these weekly lipstick diaries. Maybe not every single week, but maybe like once a month, twice a month, depending on how you feel. Comment and let me know what you would want me to do. But those are all the lipsticks that I wore this week, and I really hope you enjoyed this. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe for more. I do a lot of lipstick videos, mostly lipstick videos, and I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you have a great rest of your day, rest of your week, etc., wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!